Hey everyone, I'm Tony from the Blacksmithing Gamer, where we do everything from blacksmithing to gaming and everything in between. Today, I'll be showing you how I made Stormbreaker from the new movie Infinity War. Let's get started. First things first, once again, I'm limited with the space in the forge. I was also limited a little bit on time. I just watched the movie Infinity War and I was kind of inspired to make one of these really quickly. So I found a 3D print, and I'll leave the link of the print I used below. The first thing you're watching here is the blade portion being printed. Now it's the hammer portion. This print was split up into 4 pieces. Obviously we had the blade, now we got the hammer portion. Then we got the 2 handle pieces. I actually had to print the whole blade a couple times. The one you're watching in the video is about 1300% upscale from the original size in the link. I also tried 2500, which was a little bit too big for my printer. I'm also printing a 2000 as well. After some dry fitting of the pieces, I just put some Gorilla Glue on all the pieces, glued them together. Next up, I hit the axe with some silver spray paint, automotive. I find it gets a little bit better shine. Light coats is the way to do it. After the spray paint was dry, I just used model paint for the rest of the axe. First off, painting the handle. Then a little bit of detail work on the end of the hammer portion. I did use some clear coat to help preserve the paint. I did a few coats of that once it was all finished on the detail work. And here's the final product. It's a bit smaller than I would have wanted because this is the 1300% bigger than original print version. But as soon as the larger one is finished, I'll show you guys that one as well. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Or, if you want updates on the projects I'm working on, follow me on any of my social media sites. I'm Tony, the Blacksmithing Gamer, where every week I make things from the video games we play. Or, in this case, pop culture. I'll see you soon.